What's up guys, this is Max Square, and in this video I want to show you an app that will help you determine the best time for posting to Instagram. This is the third video for tools that will help you when managing your social accounts. So this app is called Prime and it is free to download, so let's get started. So as soon as you open up the app, you can go ahead and log in with your Instagram account. Once you've done that, it just takes a couple of minutes to sync all the posts and all the information from your account. But once it's done, you'll immediately get all the analytics that you need. So this is pretty cool because you don't only see the best day for posting, but you'll also get the best times. So on the right, you see a percentage that represents the best day of the week to post. So in my case, Saturday is clearly the best at 71%. But then if I were to tap into that day, I could actually see the best time on Saturday to post. So for me, I would get the most engagement if I posted around 9:40 p.m. Then the next best time would be 9:10 a.m. Now you'll also see a plus icon at the top right, and if I tap on that, that actually lets me schedule a post. So this would probably help someone who knows that they're going to be away on a weekend trip, or they're just not going to be available to post at that best time. So you could go ahead and add a photo, add all the captions that you need using the other app that I just reviewed in the second part of this series. And then you can go ahead and choose that date and then choose the exact time that you want to post. Now you'll see here that it's actually loaded in 9:38 p.m. automatically, so in case you forget whatever time it was, it'll just choose it for you, but you do still have the option to change the time here. Now if you jump over to the right page on this app, this is where you can actually see all of those posts that are going to be scheduled to go out. Now the only downside with this feature is that it won't actually post to your Instagram account for you. It'll just send you a reminder that you need to post it, but the advantage is that it will still keep all the information, so when it does remind you, you just accept, and then you pretty much just hit publish. Now I do think this is an issue on Instagram's side, just not giving third-party apps the permission to publish, but it would still be nice to see that feature eventually. Now if you jump over to the left page, this is where you can actually see the analytics from all of your times. It'll show you your current posts compared to your previous posts, as well as your average analytics for your post. So if you tap on current, it'll show you how many likes for your previous, and then your average amount of likes. And you can also browse through previous posts by just sliding over with this arrow. Now other than that, that's pretty much it for this app. There aren't any in-app purchases, it is free to download, and I found this to be really helpful for my Instagram account. I've completely converted my account to just strictly photography in the past few months, and so I've really been focusing on getting more followers and engagement on my posts, and I've really found this app to narrow down the best times to do that. It really does help you if you use this app in tandem with FocalMarked, which I reviewed in the previous video of this series. Within a few days of using both of these apps, I saw almost double the amount of engagement with likes and more comments on my photos. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If so, be sure to give this video a like and comment what apps you're using to manage your social media accounts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.